Hello friends, today we are going to see how we map a custom domain name to an Azure app service. Okay, so I have a simple web application here which is ASP.NET 4.8, and I'm going to first deploy this web application to Azure simply using the publish feature of Visual Studio, and then we will try to map a custom domain to the app service. Okay, publish. We could do an import profile. I think that's easy. So for that, first I'll create an app service. Contoso sample. Okay, select a runtime. It's an ASP.NET. Location is fine. I'll keep a standard because, as you see, custom domains is also a feature which is not available for all the pricing plans. For example, if I go a feature view, you can see that custom domain is not available for free and shared. It's only available from basic standard. Yeah, we could actually even select a basic. Let's go ahead and select a basic. It's still cheaper. I'm going to leave the rest of the things as is. I don't want to do application insights and create. So I'm now going to download the published profile. It's downloaded. So let me go back to the Visual Studio, import profile. So it has identified the application. It's ready to publish. So I'm going to click on publish. Yep, the application is published. You can see here mapping custom domain. I've just wrote it. Your application is published. Now, but if you see here, this is a contoso.azurewebsites.net. It's not a very friendly URL. So if you want to map this to one of your existing websites, then how would you do, right? Now for that, what you have to do is go back to your portal, go to custom domains. Okay, you can add a custom domain. So I have a custom domain called on GoDaddy. I have a custom domain. So I'm just going to put those details. So now what it's going to tell you is two things that you need to add to this particular custom domain. So let us go ahead and do that. A CNAME record with this value and a text record with this value. Let's go to my hosting provider. Going to add a CNAME record with this value. Custom, let's say 60 minutes. Right. And now we are going to add a text with asuid.www with this value. Again, let's give a custom 60 minutes. So it is added. It generally takes some time to it to update globally, but we have added a CNAME record and a text record. Okay. Let's go back to the Azure portal and click on validate. If you see here, the validation has passed. So now I'm going to go and add my custom domain. So it has added the custom domain, but we could not add the binding. So let's go and see add a binding. So we don't have a certificate, but we can go ahead and create an app service managed certificate. This is totally free. So I'm going to create it. This actually process takes close to 5 to 7 minutes. So anyway, while this is happening, let's go ahead and hit this particular site, right? My website actually was a empty site, did not have anything. So let's see if the Azure site got added to it. Yes. So if you can see, we don't have a certificate yet, but my Azure website is coming into the custom domain, which is a good sign. Okay, so it has created, but it's saying that it could not bind it, but basically I think it has successfully done it. So this error we can ignore. So I'll refresh it. Yeah, it is able to bind the HTTPS. So let's browse it. Yeah, if you can see, it's connected to my custom domain and the website hosting is on Azure. So we have successfully mapped the Azure website app service to a custom domain from GoDaddy. Hope you find this useful. Thank you.